You hear people say, "Here comes the boom," but what does that really mean for your morning routine? That's the first boom. It's the sound of quality. Whole bean coffee, freshly ground, no compromises. The second boom, that's the flavor. A rich, smooth, and powerful espresso shot that wakes up every single one of your senses. And the final boom, it's not just caffeine, it's the mental focus and energy you get to attack your day, your projects, your goals. It's fuel for the driven. Find your boom. Link in the description.